Hello everyone, today on Meals by Mary we are making a really delicious strawberry banana bread and I've been looking forward to sharing this one with you. It is sweet, fruity, cozy, everything you want from a quick homemade treat, especially in this weather. If you have got some ripe bananas sitting around, this is the perfect way to use them. So let's jump right in. I'm starting with the strawberries. We'll need about half a cup. I like to give them a quick rinse, then pat them dry. It is important that our strawberries are dry. Then take off the green tops. From here, just chop them into small cubes. Nothing fancy here, just bite-sized pieces. You want them small enough to spread through the batter, but still big enough to get those juicy pulps of strawberries in every single slice. Now we grab 3 bananas and mash them in a bowl until they are nice and soft. You can use a fork or a potato masher, use whatever you have in hand. The potato masher makes it a little quicker, but either one of them works just fine. And while I'm mashing my banana, if you are enjoying this recipe so far, feel free to subscribe to my channel. By the way, this banana bread is honestly so easy and comes together fast. It is one of those recipes you can make on a busy day and still end up with something delicious. And I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. Now, in the same bowl, crack in 1 egg and add about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. You can use vanilla powder or vanilla extract and then mix. You want to make sure that you mix everything together nicely. You can make this banana bread in a stand mixer if you want, but I did want to show you a version that doesn't require any special equipment, just a bowl, a fork, and a whisker. It keeps things simple and quick. Now, while you're mixing, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Whisk it really well into the batter until the sugar fully dissolves and everything looks smooth. To that, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil. It melts right into the batter and it gives the bread a really lovely flavor. A little warmth, a little richness without overpowering the banana and strawberry. Now we will move on to the dry ingredients. I'm using a sifter here. Add 1.5 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sift that right into the batter, then gently mix everything together until you don't see any dry spots left. This is looking so delicious already. I'll fold in the strawberry pieces, leaving a few aside to sprinkle on top later. Then add about half a cup of chocolate chips and gently mix them in. Now, totally optional, but I also have another type of chocolate that melts beautifully, so I'm adding a little of that as well. Feel free to use whichever chocolate you love, just fold it in gently so you don't mash the strawberry and it stays light and soft. Now we grab a loaf pan and line it with some parchment paper. Pour in your batter, spreading it out evenly. Then sprinkle the rest of your strawberries and that melting chocolate on top for a beautiful fruity chocolate finish. And now it's ready to bake. Pop it in the oven at 360 for about 45 minutes and let the magic happen. After about 45 minutes, our banana bread is finally ready. Just look at it, those strawberries and melted chocolate on top are making it look absolutely scrumptious. I like to take it a step further and add a little cream cheese icing on top. It is the perfect sweet finish that makes every bite extra special. I'll also sprinkle in some fresh strawberry pieces on top. And there you have it. Our strawberry banana bread is ready to enjoy. Just look how perfect this banana bread looks. I can't wait to dig in. I hope you give this recipe a try because it is simple, delicious, and perfect for any time of day. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment letting me know how your banana bread turned out. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more cozy, easy recipes coming your way. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!